Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for October 13th, 2011. First we're taking a look at the S&P 500. We're going to use the SPY here. This is a 30-minute chart. You can see the trend that we've been on. Let's take a look at yesterday's session. You can see here that we moved up off the open and had that trend line most of the day. Very trending day and towards the end, till the last hour and a half. Then we sold back down into the open, and then we've been weak ever since. Last is at 119.68, 69 area here. So we're coming back into the support range from the previous day. Watch for a break below this 119. This is going to provide some support. Resistance is going to be 120 for now. If we open below 120, watch it. Try to break through 120. 121 may provide a little resistance. 122 area is going to be the major resistance overhead. Watch for that break of 119. If we break 119, possibly we could see 118. Now we have some support a little over 118, so 118.25 to 1770. That's a support range, so there's three different areas here. We want to watch it, but we're probably going to get some kind of bounce if we break through 119. I'm going to be looking a little bit more on the short side today. I will consider some longs if stocks are strong against the market, so just trade accordingly. Let's go ahead and look at today's trades. First we have HGSI. You can see support level here right around 1080. It's actually gone nowhere the last 5 or 6 days compared to the market. Very weak stock, and looking like it's barely holding over support levels with the current market conditions. So I'm going to look for a break below this 1080. Going to take this short under 1075. So right about here, go short. First profit target is going to be 1065. Second profit target is going to be 1055. And then I would trail a stop on your last piece. Try to get through 1050. I would make 10 my final target on my last piece of that trade. If you keep a larger piece below 1050, you might take some more off at around 1025. Just an idea. But watch for 10 for a pretty good support level for a bounce. Next up we have NRGY. Been waiting for this for a few days. Still consolidating over support and pretty weak compared to the market. If we get some selling today, I'm looking for a break below this 2270 support. Going to take it short below 2265. First profit target is going to be right around 2244, 43 area. Second profit target is going to be about 2220. And then try to trail a stop down into 22. Should show some support at 22. If you break through 22, could come down into 2150. Next we have ILMN. Had the big gap down about 3 days ago. Really not much of a bounce off of that huge gap down, and it's been weak ever since, even with the market strong. This is going nowhere. You can see the support level here right around 2570. I'm going to watch for a break below 2570. Going to take this short under 2566. First profit target is going to be 2541. Second profit target is going to be 2516. And then I would watch it at 25 for support on your last piece. Trail a stop. See if it can break through 25. Could possibly trend down into 24 if we get a weak day. So if we get some selling and a breakthrough support levels, try to be patient with your last piece. Let it set lower highs and lower lows. It should trend down into 24.50, possibly 24. That's if we lose 25. Now we're looking at WAG, W-A-G. You can see it's at support at 33 right here. We're going to look for a break below that support line. Going to take this short into 32.94. So right about there, take it short. First profit target is going to be 32.62. So just off of these support levels here. Watch it at 32.40. If it breaks through 32.40, next target is going to be 32.30 area. Right there. You can see some of the support here from these 2 days. And then I would trail a stop down into 32. Now we're looking at BBBY. You can see resistance level here right around 60.60. Has a little bit more resistance from previous highs up just under 61. So I'm going to use 61 as our break line. This has been a strong stock holding this trend. If we get a head fake or if we get a strong day in the market and another breakout to new highs, this could run over this 61. That's how we're going to take this long. Going to enter this long at 61.08. First profit target is going to be 61.69. Second profit target is going to be 62.30. And then I would trail a stop on your last piece, try to get into 63 and possibly 64. And our last trade is GIS. You can see here resistance level at 40.25. Now this may not break today. This may consolidate for a few days. I'm looking for this to either break or watch it for a few days for a break over this line here at 40.25. Going to take this long at 40.33. First profit target is going to be 40.73. Second profit target is going to be 41.13. After that, trail a stop in our last piece. Could get up into 42, possibly 41.50. So those are two areas to watch if we get the breakout. And again, this might not happen today. Depends on how the market pulls back and also how this reacts to the market. This could be something that we trade maybe even tomorrow or early next week. So we'll keep it on our radar. We get some of these stocks that we watch for a few days. They build up, and then when they do break, they make really nice trades, either to the long or short side. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.